The McLaren W1 marks a significant milestone for McLaren, emerging as one of the most remarkable hypercars ever produced. Now this car has been created to celebrate the brand's first Formula 1 Constructors and Drivers' World Championship in 1974. And I'm a bit late to the party, but the car was announced on the precise day 50 years later, which is pretty cool. But this isn't just a car to celebrate. This is one of the best hybrid hypercars ever built. With 1,258 horsepower, the W1 symbolizes a fusion of modern automotive technology, McLaren's racing heritage, and an unyielding pursuit of speed, innovation, and exclusivity. At the core of the W1 is a hybridized V8 engine that develops an astounding 915 horsepower at a blistering 9,200 RPM. This is supported by an E-module that delivers an additional 342 horsepower, bringing the total power output to a jaw-dropping 1,258 horsepower. That is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and with all of that, the W1 pushes its limits with rapid acceleration, clocking a 0 to 124 mph time of just 5.8 seconds and achieving a top speed of 270 mph. But let's just circle back. This thing reaches 200 km/h in a faster time than most hot hatches reach 100, which is pretty insane. Anyways, this hybrid powertrain makes the W1 a true contender in the hypercar realm. Unlike some hybrid models that compromise weight for efficiency, McLaren engineered the W1 to remain light, tipping the scales at just 3,000 pounds or 1,400 kilograms. Thanks to advanced materials and genius designs like its carbon fiber monocoque called Aerocell and its titanium components. The W1's design exudes aggression, with sharp lines, scoops, and vents that look as if they have been meticulously crafted by the wind. Every surface is designed to optimize airflow, a crucial aspect considering the car generates up to 2,205 pounds of downforce, ensuring that it is glued to the track, even at its blistering top speeds. Now, one of the W1's standout features is its anhedral doors, which borrow inspiration from aviation, adding to the hypercar's futuristic appearance. The doors hinge at the roof, creating better airflow around the sides of the car. Plus, they look kinda cool. Additionally, the W1's adjustable long-tail rear wing extends by nearly 12 inches in race mode, further enhancing its aerodynamics and allowing it to cut through the air with minimal resistance. But their quest to build the ultimate hypercar led them to do something interesting. For one, they used 3D printed tech to build custom suspension components, which reduce weight while enhancing rigidity and performance. Interestingly, McLaren has gone back to its roots with hydraulic power steering system, a feature that fans of the B1 will appreciate. Now, as someone that loves driving and drivers cars, I can tell you that hydraulic steering systems just offer better feedback, making the W1 not just about straight line speed, but also about pure driving pleasure. Anyways, moving to the interior of the McLaren W1 is an absolute work of art, blending futuristic design with the precision of a Formula 1 cockpit. When you step inside, the first thing that grabs your attention is how minimal and driver-focused everything feels. There is a clear emphasis on keeping distractions to a minimum while delivering a performance experience like no other. The W1 setup mirrors McLaren's dedication to track performance. The driver sits in a near-perfect position, surrounded by a high-tech yet elegantly simple control layout. Unlike most hypercars with complex gadget-filled interiors, the W1 sticks to the essentials. The dashboard features an ultra-light, minimalist design with a digital instrument cluster that adapts based on the driving mode. Whether you're in track, race, or street mode, the display changes to show only the most relevant information. This makes the driving experience feel like a race car at heart. The seats themselves are another talking point. They are molded from carbon fiber and wrapped in high-quality Alcantara and leather, offering both comfort and extreme support during high-speed cornering. Despite its focus on performance, McLaren has ensured there's an attention to luxury here too. Every material feels premium, from the soft-touch leather trim to the brushed metal and carbon fiber accents. It's the right mix of race-bred engineering with the luxury you'd expect at this level. And another cool feature in this car's interior is its aviation-inspired design. The W1's engine start button and race mode switches are positioned on an overhead console, reminiscent of an aircraft cockpit. Compared to its predecessors, the McLaren W1 elevates the game. While the iconic McLaren F1 was renowned for its raw simplicity and the P1 introduced groundbreaking hybrid technology, the W1 refines and advances both of these legacies. And when talking about track performance, this thing is even faster than the McLaren Senna around the brand's own track. Now, the W1's ability to cover 0 to 186 miles per hour or 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in just 12.7 seconds places it among the elite in terms of acceleration, while other hypercars like the Rimac Nevera and Bugatti Chiron may boast higher top speeds. McLaren has focused on balance, precision, and the driving experience. So the question is, how much for this car? While only 399 units will be built, each priced at a staggering starting point of $2.6 million, and all have already been spoken for. Customers had the opportunity to further personalize their W1s through McLaren's MSO division, allowing for bespoke finishes, materials, and details. While the W1 may not be the most powerful hypercar in sheer numbers, it will most definitely punch way above its weight on the track. But at the end of the video, please let me know what you guys thought of the video and what you guys think of this new car from McLaren. This car does have a lot to live up to. I mean, the F1 will forever be a legend, and the P1 is atop many enthusiast lists, and that includes me. So let's wait and see if this thing can fill the shoes of its predecessors. But at the end of the video, please let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys liked it. If you guys did like it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you guys did like it, you'll most probably like some other stuff. So just go through my channel, see if there's someone else like. I'll check you guys in the next one. Cheers,